Before you can start setting up promotions, you need to add your payment details. Click the button below this video in the Welcome Assistant, or click Communities in the navigation toolbar. Select the Payment tab in the top right-hand corner and add payment data. Enter your payment details, including your name and email address, as well as your payment method, which can be a bank account or credit card. Your account will not be charged unless fans redeem your promotions, or you set up sponsorships with sports clubs. Click Save. Now enter your billing address. Click Save. And that's it! You have successfully set up your payment details.